4 essential Windows apps you're missing out on. Microsoft Windows Apps offers a wide range of tools and utilities to enhance and customize your Windows experience. From boosting productivity to simplifying system maintenance, these apps can help you get the most out of your Windows PC. Whether you're a power user or just looking for ways to streamline your workflow, these apps are worth checking out. Microsoft Power Toys. Microsoft Power Toys includes utilities to enhance the Windows user experience, ranging from tools that customize your workflow. Power Toys enables window layout optimization, quick search, and launch apps, and even creates keyboard shortcuts. It contains fancy zones for window management, power rename for renaming files in bulk, and the image resizer for quick image resizing. Power Toys is ideal for power users looking to get the most done in the shortest amount of time by customizing their Windows environment to meet their particular needs. Microsoft PC Manager. Microsoft PC Manager is a fully functional system maintenance utility to keep your Windows PC running smoothly. It supports many features, including disk cleaning, startup optimization, and driver updating. It also provides detailed system information, thus allowing you to monitor your PC's performance and thereby identify any potential problems. It scans for and resolves common issues, displaying ways to free up disk space and generally improving system performance. PC Manager is great for all users who want to keep their PCs in good shape without requiring technical knowledge. Quick File Preview. Quick File Preview is an excellent Windows utility that helps users in quick and easy file previewing. This app, anyone can preview the contents of a file instantly without opening it. This utility saves much time and improves workflow. Quick File Preview is compatible with any file format, such as documents, images, and videos. Its features include a preview size option, creating thumbnails, and integration with Windows Explorer. It's a good tool for graphic designers, writers, researchers, and anyone working with the need to view and review many files quickly. Quick Look. Quick Look is a Windows app inspired by the same feature of Mac OS. This application is designed to preview what's inside files and folders without opening them, using an extremely intuitive interface. Quick Look adds an in-space preview of files and can even be controlled by keyboard shortcuts for navigating and closing previews. Features include native support for a huge range of file formats, adjustable preview sizes, and tight integration with Windows Explorer. Quick Look is most suitable for any developer, designer, or power user who needs a quick and easy way to preview files.